Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn 120 daily used English sentences. So, let's start the video. I love spending time with my family. I love spending time with my family. What are your long-term goals? What are your long-term goals? I love to try new foods and experiment with different flavors. I love to try new foods and experiment with different flavors. What is the exchange rate? What is the exchange rate? She enjoys reading books in her free time. She enjoys reading books in her free time. He is a very compassionate person and always shows kindness towards others. He is a very compassionate person and always shows kindness towards others. How do you define success? How do you define success? Excuse me, can you tell me the correct time? Excuse me, can you tell me the correct time? I think ice cream is the best dessert. I think ice cream is the best dessert. How long have you been working in your current job? How long have you been working in your current job? The weather forecast says it's going to rain tomorrow. The weather forecast says it's going to rain tomorrow. How do you maintain a work-life balance? How do you maintain a work-life balance? The birds are chirping happily outside. The birds are chirping happily outside. I love to dance and move to the rhythm of the music. I love to dance and move to the rhythm of the music. They are going to go scuba diving next month. They are going to go scuba diving next month. How do you like to spend your weekends? How do you like to spend your weekends? What is your favorite type of music? What is your favorite type of music? I love visiting new places and exploring different cultures. I love visiting new places and exploring different cultures. What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? I think pizza is the best food. I think pizza is the best food. The view from the top of the hill is breathtaking. The view from the top of the hill is breathtaking. Is there a public phone around here? Is there a public phone around here? The flowers in the garden are blooming beautifully. The flowers in the garden are blooming beautifully. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Excuse me, where is the post office? Excuse me, where is the post office? I love to sing and make music. I love to sing and make music. The clouds are moving slowly across the sky. The clouds are moving slowly across the sky. What is your favorite sport? What is your favorite sport? Do you want to work from home? Do you want to work from home? The sun is shining brightly today. The sun is shining brightly today. How do you stay motivated and focused on your goals? How do you stay motivated and focused on your goals? Do I need an operation? Do I need an operation? I love to take long hikes and enjoy nature. I love to take long hikes and enjoy nature. She is a skilled photographer and captures amazing moments. She is a skilled photographer and captures amazing moments. How do you handle stress and pressure? How do you handle stress and pressure? What is your favorite sport or physical activity? What is your favorite sport or physical activity? How many children do you have? How many children do you have? He loves to play basketball with his friends on the weekends. He loves to play basketball with his friends on the weekends. I love to learn new things and expand my knowledge. I love to learn new things and expand my knowledge. How long do you think it will take to fix it? How long do you think it will take to fix it? Do you really think so? Do you really think so? Are you sure you can carry all of this? Are you sure you can carry all of this? I am watching television. I am watching television. Do you have a pet? Do you have a pet? No, I have not decided yet. No, I have not decided yet. Is that what you really want? Is that what you really want? Let me introduce Mr. John to you. Let me introduce Mr. John to you. How many times do you work out a week? How many times do you work out a week? Do you like fish? Do you like fish? I am so glad. I am so glad. Why do you want to go? Why do you want to go? Is there someone here who speaks English? Is there someone here who speaks English? He likes to play cricket with his friends. He likes to play cricket with his friends. Take your time. Take your time. Can you tell me where the bus stop is? Can you tell me where the bus stop is? How are you doing these days? How are you doing these days? Do you have smoking area around here? Do you have smoking area around here? Please tell me your cell phone number. Please tell me your cell phone number. He told me which bus I should take. He told me which bus I should take. That's too bad. That's too bad. Does this amount include service tax? Does this amount include service tax? Eat whatever you want. Eat whatever you want. Can I have some more water, please? Can I have some more water, please? His house was robbed last Sunday. His house was robbed last Sunday. Let me see if she is available. Let me see if she is available. How did you celebrate your birthday? How did you celebrate your birthday? I am gaining weight after marriage. I am gaining weight after marriage. Could you give me a minute, please? Could you give me a minute, please? How much money do you want to pay? How much money do you want to pay? Don't impose your beliefs on others. Don't impose your beliefs on others. If he likes, let him do it. If he likes, let him do it. Can you please tell me if it is wrong or right? Can you please tell me if it is wrong or right? Don't judge a book by its cover. Don't judge a book by its cover. Please bring me some water. Please bring me some water. Do you hear me? Do you hear me? Let me talk to the manager. Let me talk to the manager. Make yourself at home. Make yourself at home. Please come to the point. Please come to the point. I don't want it. I don't want it. Please carry this bag for me. Please carry this bag for me. Let's go to the mall together. Let's go to the mall together. Don't keep him waiting long. Don't keep him waiting long. Do you mind waiting for a few minutes? Do you mind waiting for a few minutes? How many of you are coming tomorrow? How many of you are coming tomorrow? Whose book is this? Whose book is this? How can I change address in passport? How can I change address in passport? Do you have anything to eat at home? Do you have anything to eat at home? Could you wait a little longer, please? Could you wait a little longer, please? Don't join if you are not interested. Don't join if you are not interested. I am drinking coffee at the moment. I am drinking coffee at the moment. Does your parents let you stay out late? Does your parents let you stay out late? I am going on vacation tomorrow. I am going on vacation tomorrow. How well do you speak English? How well do you speak English? Don't leave your kids alone. Don't leave your kids alone. He insisted on my attending the party. He insisted on my attending the party. Does this dress look good on me? Does this dress look good on me? How can I get rid of pimples on face? How can I get rid of pimples on face? Don't miss the chance to win. Don't miss the chance to win. Please carry on with your work. Please carry on with your work. Can you guess what it is? Can you guess what it is? Please come in and sit down. Please come in and sit down. He hurt his hand when he fell down. He hurt his hand when he fell down. Don't question my integrity. Don't question my integrity. Do you mind closing the door for me? Do you mind closing the door for me? Please come and join us. Please come and join us. Can you bring me some food? Can you bring me some food? Don't park in front of the gate. Don't park in front of the gate. Can I use your mobile charger? Can I use your mobile charger? Did you ask her what she wants? Did you ask her what she wants? Are you good at any sports? Are you good at any sports? Can I access the internet here? Can I access the internet here? I have no alternative. I have no alternative. This is my love for you. This is my love for you. How much money do you have? How much money do you have? Which city are you in right now? Which city are you in right now? I am lost in my dreams. I am lost in my dreams. This flower smells great. This flower smells great. We all are with you. We all are with you. May I ask you why? May I ask you why? Why did you run from there? Why did you run from there? That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoyed it. To stay updated with all of my new videos, don't forget to subscribe the channel and click the notification bell.